Hi everyone, this is Niloy. Welcome back to our dot programming tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will discuss about do while loop. This is the syntax for do while loop. First of all, we need to add a keyword called do, and after that, we need to add a block of code, and at the end, we need to add a keyword called while with condition. So now let's start programming section. First of all, we need to declare a variable and initialize it with a value 1. This program will print the value of I 5 times. So now let's run the program. Here we can see the output here. That's how the do while loop works. The unique aspect of a do while loop is that it always executes the code at least once before checking the condition. If we change the condition here, it means here we can see that the value of I at the initial stage is 1, and our condition is if we found I less than 1, then it will not execute, but our value of I is already equal to 1. It means not less than 1. So the question is the block will execute or not? Let's check it. Here we can see that here the do while loop execute the block here and print the value of I before checking the condition. But if we try the same thing with while loop, then what happened? Let's see. Here you can see that only do while loop execute its block, but when it finds the value of j is already equal to 1, it means not less than 1, it do not execute this block. This is the basic difference between do while loop and while loop. Remember one thing, that if you do not handle the condition in a proper way, then your program will run an infinite loop. Your software will crash. That's why you need to practice more while and do while related programming. Okay, so you can practice to sharp your skill for do while loop. Print 10 to 1, it means reverse order. Print even odd number, between 1 to 50 or any range you can choose. Also practice more do while loop related programming. Do not follow only this video series but also follow other resources, especially official document and other popular tutorial based websites. Read recommended books to learn in a best way. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.